You're probably thinking about sending out a season's greetings card in the mail. Today's Canva tutorial will teach how to create a customized one that works for you. Let's get started. You're on your home page. We're going to type in Christmas card, and we're going to filter it down to 7x5 and free. I do want to show you that you can search for Hanukkah cards, Kwanzaa cards, whatever you can think of, you can put in there. I like this one because there's a place for 3 different photographs, which comes in handy. It would be perfect for an envelope of 7x5. If it has a Pro icon down there, it means that you cannot use it unless you have a Canva Pro account. The first thing you will do is click on each photo and press delete. You can search within here to templates if you change your mind. At this point, you would need to upload your images. You would go to Uploads and click Upload Media, and wherever your images are is where you would pull them from. I'm just going to use some images that I grabbed from Canva. So you could use a family photo, one of your pet's photos, or are you making a baby announcement for Christmas? You could include that as well. By the way, just in case you don't know, you left click the image and drag it into the spot. Click on the image, go to edit image, and for this, I'm just gonna make it easy on you and suggest a filter. You can try different filters. When you click on something, let's say you click on this, you can change the intensity of it. I'm just gonna make this a black and white image, and again, I could change the intensity. And basically, all that filter does is auto adjust this adjust tool for you so that you don't have to think about it. And there is a filter code right here that you can copy. And then I'm going to click on the doggy and click adjust, see all, and then paste that same filter code there, and it adjusts the dog as well by clicking adjust, see all, and we could give the middle image a vignette. You could change the color of the background here. So I'm clicking the background, go up here, click the color, and you can make it any color that you want. You want it green, make it green. If you want it really green, make it really green. You want it red, make it red. You can even choose this, add a new color, and play around with the color wheel to find a color that you would like. One thing that you can do is click on the middle image and right click and apply colors to page. And it will take colors from this and apply it to your card. Now you could leave Happy Holidays, or you could change it to Merry Christmas. And then you take this little line right here and bring it out, shrink it, position center. New Year, happy news from our family to yours, or expanding our family in 2022. Click the More button and go up here to Styles and choose one of these. And it will change the font and the color, and you can shuffle it around for different results. If you get a font combination that you like and you would like to try different colors with that, then click on the Colors tab and you can try things here. What if you would like a texture on it? You find this too plain. Go to Elements, type in Grid, click on Grid, right click, bring to the front. One that I like to use is Cork, and this one is free. click on it and reduce the transparency, and it will change the texture. Now we're going to send it backwards. It doesn't cover up your photos. And by backwards, I mean, so I right click, send it to the back. So that's a really cool way to alter your design. And I'm guessing that if you're watching this today or in the future, you might be out of time. You want to send these out through email, or you want to get them printed, whether that's on your own printer at home or a place that does same day developing. This is what you want to do. Go to File and click Show Print Bleed. This will verify that your image is all the way on what could possibly print. Download. PDF print is one thing that you can do. It's a file type. For me, I've got several pages on this project and I only want to download the one page. Download. That's option one. The other thing you could do is download it as a PNG. Same thing. You could send it out through email. You could put it on a website. Wherever you would send it out digitally, you could do it that way. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, be sure to hit the like button and watch one of these tutorials right now. Thank you so much for learning with the Canva Classroom. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future lessons. See you next time. Bye.